So today we're gonna draft some tomatoes onto this Solanum. We're gonna graft on a couple of cuttings only. So let's start. First we remove the Solanum and find a clean bit. I'm gonna use this one and this one, and next we're gonna clean this one. So let's start. First we remove any flowers, we don't need them, and then we're gonna peel with a sharp knife, with a new blade. This is better. So we have to peel slowly. I'm gonna remove this. We'll peel it this way. Not a lot, so the plant will still have some force on it. I'm gonna remove some. So let's start from the back one so you can see later on. I'm gonna split it in half. But it will also peel a bit from the back side. So that's it. We will insert it. Let me open it with the knife. We remove any extra leaves. Right now we don't leave much leaves. And we'll leave it like that. Let's start the next one. It's the same process. We're gonna put it in the form of a small screw. We'll remove extra bit. So peel and peel from the opposite side also. Remember, take time to do this work because as you can see the knife is very sharp. I'm gonna prepare it by removing any stalks, and this is the finished product. So we'll cut this one also like before in the middle, and while the knife is there I'm gonna close it on it. Next we need some elastic. We have 2 strips of elastic. These are appropriate for guarding. And first we're gonna start with a knot, a simple one knot, and then we just turn it around and close the gap. So we keep on closing it from the top. Attention not to make any pressure extra on the tomato stalk because it will break away. So that is one. Let's do the other one. The same as before. All we need is one knot. And then we turn and tighten it a bit. We then have to tie it a double knot, and then we'll paint with a bit of wound paint so that it will seal any wounds. So we dab it all. And even the tips where we cut previously, so that the tomato won't lose any humidity. That's one done. Let's do the other one. Hopefully these will kick soon into action, and we'll have some tomatoes on a tree. You could also make, as already stated, aubergines, but I chose tomatoes because aubergines are already disease and drought tolerant on their own. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe.